APIs, active pharmaceutical ingredients, that's a $250 billion industry. China makes around $200 billion of it. This is global. India makes around 30-40 billion, and Italy makes $10-20 million, right? Clearly, given the growing antagonism between the West and China, Western governments, the Western pharma regulators are pushing the global pharma majors to source more from countries other than China. Now, API is not something you can make in Vietnam or Bangladesh, right? It's a complex supply chain, and the only other country that can make API at scale is India, right? So let's be realistic. China makes $200 billion of the stuff. For us to make even $100 billion will be a colossal endeavor. That will triple our API industry. But let's assume we double the API industry. Our API industry is around $30 billion. Let's assume we double it over the next 2-3 years, right? That's a big opportunity for that entire supply chain, part of which is in Gujarat. API makers are either in Gujarat or in Andhra, Telangana, right? They will then, if they double in the next 3 years, the people who supply intermediates and key starter materials to them will double. The people who then supply the glass-lined reactors to them will double, right? So you're looking at an industry which conservatively is set to double in 3 years or so. And the capex cycle in these industries is already roaring into action because the entrepreneurs, the Gujarati and Telugu entrepreneurs are not waiting to read the Wall Street Journal before they put the capex in. They're already slamming the capex in, and we are doing our level best in Marcellus too. We did our level best 2 years ago, year ago. As we speak, our traders are loading up. Right? We're loading up on this opportunity because we think it's a done deal that China will not be as salient in API manufacturing today. China will not be as salient 5 years hence as it is today. Right? So, pehla easy wala opportunity. Conservatively, I would say doubling of the API industry and the supply chain therein in the next 3 years.